Hey guys, welcome to Fitness to Food. In this video, I like to share my own personal problem, which is sweet craving. After every single meal, I like to have a spoon of dessert to eat, which is really bad, which lead us to excess of calories and that is equal to getting fat. Yeah, are you the one who also have the same problem? Well, in this channel, we always promote a healthy recipes of sweets and dessert which can make you more build muscle like high protein desserts, like high protein donuts or high protein green mug brownies. So let's take a step ahead. Let's make a high protein cheesecake. Let's get started. To make crust, grind almonds and dates. Remove this mixture into a bowl. Spread it out evenly into a round cake tin. Put gelatin into a cold water and stir it up. Let it set for a few minutes. Now melt it up. Take Greek yogurt and add gelatin. Mix it up till a smooth paste. Add whey protein and mix it up evenly. Now add cocoa powder. Add sugar free. Add milk. Now refrigerate for 5 minutes so it gets little bit thick.
Now pour this batter into a cake tin and set it up. After it gets set, demold and cut it into even pieces. And enjoy.
Hope you guys like this video and make sure you subscribe. Always eat healthy but make sure it's tasty.